Hi, this is Jason Ambien with ClearOne, and today we are here at the InVision show for TD SYNNEX. And today we're actually showing a lot of our collaboration products, everything from our Unite cameras to Versa products. But what I want to focus on this time is our Beamformer ceiling tile microarrays. Here it is right here. It's not an air vent. This is actually a microphone. The great thing about this is that one of these can actually cover an area as large as 25 by 25 feet. What's unique about the ClearOne version is we actually have 4 variations of this. We have a version that uses a full-size DSP mixer, our Converge Pro 2 mixers, a version that uses a mini DSP like this Huddle DSP that we have here, a version that is 100% USB plug and play. And we now just introduced a version that is a Dante supported Beamformer ceiling tile microarray. We call it the BMA 360D. So all of these products are available at TD SYNNEX today. So please visit their website to check out the SKUs and their pricing. But you can also visit our website at www.clearone.com for more information. Thank you.